the beautiful wig that I made, I got from a company called ChocHair.com, and I will leave all of the information down below in the description box. So this is how my package came to me. I wasn't really impressed because, you guys, there was no name of the company on the package itself. It was just no name at all. And the way the bundles arrived, I didn't know which bundle was which. I did receive 4 bundles. I believe I received 24, or rather 2 24s and 2 26 inches. And I also received the 20-inch 360 frontal. So as you guys can see, there's no label on the hair or anything like that. So I had to kind of figure it out as far as measuring goes. But all in all, the hair is really nice. I'm not going to lie. I love the frontal. I love the way it came out. Or rather, I love the 360 frontal, the way it came out. So this is the wig once I was done constructing it. I absolutely love the hair itself. It's very soft. I didn't receive any type of tangling or shedding up until this very day. I've had this wig for quite a while, so you guys are just seeing it raw before I cut off the lace. And in the next clips, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once the lace is cut off. And I do have it on my head right now. You guys, I did not glue this wig down. It did not need it. One thing about these 360 frontals, the ones that come with the adjustable straps, you really don't need to adhere them to your head. But of course, for extra security, I would suggest you doing so. So as you can see, this wig has really long baby hairs, and when they're this long, you guys, I call them baby bangs because they're all in your face. So I did trim them down a little, and later on in the video I did end up cutting them because I just could not deal with them too much. It was just way too much. So I did go ahead and cut them a lot shorter, but you guys will see that, you know, towards the end of the video. So here I'm just adding my heating serum just to protect the hair. I don't want it to get damaged in any type of way, and just to flatten out that parting space and make it look a little more realistic. I went in with my Irresistible Mean Curling Wand, and here, you guys, that's all I'm doing. Like, it's really not much to this hair. This is going to be a really short and quick video, you guys. I'm just letting it play so that you can see the process of how I get it to lay flat, because a lot of you wanted to know, how do I do that? Even though I show you guys how I do that in most of my videos, but this is all I do. I have the curling wand, I believe, on about 410 or something like that, which is the hottest. So you guys, the hair does take heat very well. And then I just went in with my Duval flat iron, which I am loving at this moment. It really straightens out my hair really good. And I have that, I believe, on about 410. So here you guys see me just adding some powder to the parting space just to make it look a little more realistic. But you guys, do you see the hair? Like, it's so pretty. It's so lustrous. And like I said, I didn't have any issues as far as shedding or tangling. The wig is absolutely beautiful. And again, all of the information to this wig, or rather to the hair, is down below in the description box. It's also a coupon code. Believe the coupon code is Donna 8. And you can use that to, you know, get some money off. And this is Brazilian virgin straight hair, if I didn't mention that earlier. And again, it's from ChocHair.com. And so if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.